In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Kanban board in Microsoft Loop. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Loop. In the results, look for the official Microsoft page titled something like Microsoft Loop, Collaborative App for Microsoft 365, and click it. This takes you to the product page where you can learn more, but we're going straight in. On the Microsoft Loop page, click Get Started with Loop. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, use the sign up option and then return here. Signing in ensures your workspaces and pages are saved and sync across devices. Once you're in Loop, you'll land on your home view. From here, either create a new workspace to start fresh or open an existing workspace that already has a page you want to use. A workspace is like a folder for related pages, so choose the option that fits what you're organizing today. Inside your chosen workspace, open or create a page, then click on the empty space in the canvas to place your cursor. This tells Loop exactly where you want to insert your content. To add the Kanban board, you have two simple options. You can click the plus icon in the page to open the Tools menu, which shows you all the building blocks available. Or if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, type // and then start typing Kanban board. The quick insert will filter as you type. From the Tools menu or Quick Insert Suggestions, click Kanban board. Loop will insert a blank Kanban board right where your cursor was. This board helps you visualize work as it moves through stages. Next, set up your workflow by adding columns. Create a column named To Do for tasks that haven't been started yet. Keep names short and clear so your team immediately understands what belongs there. Add another column named In Progress. This is where actively worked on items live. Keeping this column focused helps you spot bottlenecks and maintain momentum. Now, add a column named On Hold. Use this for tasks that are paused, blocked, or waiting on someone else. Separating On Hold from In Progress keeps your active workload honest and makes blockers visible. Finally, add a column named Done. This is your completion lane and a simple way to celebrate progress. Once this set of columns is in place, your Kanban board mirrors a straightforward workflow from idea to completion. That's it. You've opened Loop, created or selected a workspace and page, inserted the Kanban board, and defined your To-Do, In Progress, On Hold, and Done columns. Your board is ready to organize work clearly and collaboratively.